Act 2, Clam City. I'll come up.
Clam City.
Act 2. Act 2, Clown Kitty. What do I do? What do I do? I got this cat. This cat that fucking talks.
Meow. Hi.
Why do you talk?
Don't face your back to the audience.
My old circus hat. That reminds me of when I was talented.
Meow. Hi. Oh my god, it's like sex.
Oh my god. My penis is like that.
As long as you let me feel it. It's like sex.
Is it still recording?
Yes. Mine is.
Why? Why me? Why did you choose me?
Hi. Hi.
Can you say anything else besides hi, you fucking
Hi.
hello?
Hi.
Fuck you, cock.
Hi.
You like big black cock?
Hi.
I think I know what I'll do with my life. Kidding! I'm serious, let's talk about cock.
Hi.
Ava.
You got her butt in Zoe's face.
What? Kitty. I know what I'm going to do with my life now.
Hi.
Look at
Zoe.
End of Act 2.
What do you do with your life?
You'll have to find out. Short intermission.